This is where my wife Susan processes all her felt bird and critter kits that she sells through her blog, downeastunderfarm.com. And she has a variety of these felt kits, and she puts them together at this table. But the table, it's only a temporary folding table until such time that I build a specific processing bench at the proper height and layout the way she wants it. And this folding table is much too low in its stock form, and that means she has to bend over and it hurts her back. So the solution was making these blocks, these riser blocks, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations here in Millbridge, Maine, located along Maine's Bold Coast. Well, I hope that you'll find today's useful tip helpful to you if you need to raise a bed or a table or something of that nature. This is a very quick and easy solution. It's very simple. If you do want a drawing, why not? I'll put one together and throw it in there. But I hope you enjoy the video. It's a quickie, and thanks for watching. And I also hope you'll subscribe, share the video. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Let's go see what kind of wood I have out here I can use. Yeah, I thought I had a piece of, I do. I have a 4x4, maybe it's a little bit thicker than that. I think it's 5x5 piece of cedar. Yeah, it's white cedar. This beam right here. Of course, it's frozen. It's about 9 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Ugh. But I'll get this broken loose and I can continue my project using that piece of wood.